Moving on to Afghanistan, where the Taliban are on the march and claims to be gaining territory at an astonishing rate. As most American and NATO combat troops have left Afghanistan, the withdrawal has raised security concerns in the country. Pakistan has taken advantage of the pulling out of the foreign troops and has openly supported the Taliban to gain the stronghold and fight against the Afghan government.
Taliban terrorists freely cross into Afghanistan from Pakistan on motorbikes and other vehicles. There are no bars on their movement at the international border. Even the Taliban fighters killed in Afghanistan are brought back to Kuchlak in Pakistan's Balochistan province for burial. Since the US-led NATO combat troops started leaving the country after 20 years of war, the Taliban is on a deadly rampage. At this crucial time, Pakistan has again been exposed when its own lawmaker from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Mohsin Daur, launched a tirade against the country's establishment for its support to the Taliban. Speaking in the Pakistan National Assembly, Mohsin said the Taliban are Pakistan's favorites in Afghanistan.
हम जब यहाँ पर कहते हैं कि यहाँ से लोग जा रहे हैं, यहाँ से लोग दहशतगर्द वहाँ पर एक्सपोर्ट हो रहे हैं, फिर वहाँ से फवाद चौधरी साहब कहते हैं कि ये अमरुल्लाह साले की जबान बोल रहे हैं। बाबा अमरुल्लाह साले जो इल्जामात लगा रहे हैं उसको जस्टिफाई करने के लिए, उसको साबित करने के लिए उसको किसी सबूत की जरूरत नहीं है। आपका अपना वजीर खारजा उस पर मोहर तस्दीक सबत करता है। जिस तरह मुल्क के तूल अर्ज में ये जनाजे आ रहे हैं तालिबान के वहां पर अफगानिस्तान से, परसों ही की एक वीडियो है पेशावर सिटी में, ये तालिबान के एक जुलूस में वो एक जनाजे को रिसीव करते हैं और वो फिर नारेबाजी भी करते हैं पेशावर सिटी में। जनाब चेयरमैन, पेशावर सिटी में फिर लग हम कहते हैं कि भाई दुनिया हमारे ऊपर इल्जाम लगाती है। फिर जब हम कहते हैं तो वो कहते हैं कि भाई वो किसी और की जबान बोल रहे हैं। तो जब हम कहते हैं कि अफगानिस्तान में हमारे फेवरेट्स नहीं है, हमारे अफगानिस्तान में फेवरेट्स हैं, और वाहिद फेवरेट जो हमारे अफगानिस्तान में हो तालिबान।
Ever since the 2001 US invasion ousted the Pakistani-backed Taliban regime in Kabul, Pakistan's powerful military has unofficially provided carefully calibrated support to the group, allowing Afghan insurgents to operate from its territory. Pakistan wanted to bolster the Taliban as a counter to the influence of India in Afghanistan and to have a potent proxy there after a US departure. With the Taliban sweeping through a third of Afghanistan's districts and surrounding the country's major cities, Pakistan authorities have to grapple with the unintended consequences of their politics.
We have time and time said this, that the presence of Shoras in Quetta and Peshawar and elsewhere in Pakistan have been something of great concern to us. Families still live there. You may remember that the Taliban delegation visiting for consultation to Pakistan. So yes, they have the support infrastructure currently present in Pakistan, and we would want to see that changed.
There is a possibility of Pakistan-based terror groups including Al-Qaeda to get more strategic space in Taliban-ruled territories due to umbilical links between Rawalpindi and the insurgent leadership. There will also be influx of refugees across the Durand line of those trying to escape Taliban's harsh interpretation of Islam and the accompanying changeover of Afghanistan from a republic to an emirate. Besides, the rise of Islamic fundamentalism and its victory in Afghanistan will also create security problems for the region.